Hey, your boy done found the goddamn found the youth out this thing, boy. That's what I love about a good adventure, yo. Take this walk with me. So we just keep getting deeper and deeper out here. So over there it's a little steep, so gotta watch out for all the critters near the water. So I came from up there off the trail. So I'm actually about to take this shore. Come over here. Should give me a better vantage point. I asked one of the locals for some help. Yes, sir. Look at this right here. Yes, sir. As soon as I heard the water, I was like, I gotta come find it. You feel me? Yeah, like this is as pure as it gets right here. This is as pure and as real as it gets right here, baby.